Shwmai, hi, I'm Ian Thomas, General Manager of Mental Health and Learning Disabilities within the Iron Bevan University Health Board. I'm really excited to have an opportunity to present the engagement on the transformation of adult mental health services in Ngwent. Our vision is that our services are designed and delivered to ensure high quality, compassionate, person-centred mental health and learning disabilities services, striving for excellent outcomes for the people of Ngwent. This means that we want to improve access to community-based mental health support and resources when needed, to make sure that individuals are admitted to hospital only when it is the best option for them and they get the support they need. Our services to be focused on delivering the best possible outcomes for each individual and to develop more services locally and reduce the need for individuals to have to travel outside of the health board for treatment. To make the improvements we would like, we know we must make transformational changes across the whole adult mental health system. This document sets out our service model for the future and highlights a number of plans, proposals, and ideas that we believe could make a real difference. We would like to share these with you. These ideas include enhancing the range of services people can directly access to better support and promote the mental health and well-being of the community. Strengthening our mental health services to better support primary care. Transforming our services for individuals with mental health issues at times of crisis. And developing a new specialist inpatient services unit. We believe these ideas will enable us to better support the needs of individuals with mental health problems. We are really keen to hear your views on our proposals. We hope this is the start of an ongoing conversation to help shape our services for the future. We have put together a series of brief videos to explain some of the changes we are proposing. I hope you find them informative.